just in case there was any doubt. A little bit of bumpy road, nice horse fork. Oh yeah, oh yeah, ow, yeah. Oh, disgusting. Hello, horse fork. I mean, talking about a sketchy shit. Using a jack on mud. Result. How small are them bolts? Well, heads anyway. Oh, get on. Let's see. Defeated. Nope. Yes. It is the roots. Always open to that. One, two, three, four. They are tiny though. 5. Kick the wheel. Take the wheel. There we go. Once the wheel go under the car. Time for the bad news. Oh, shocking. Damn, Daniel. Fuck. Absolute carnage. All the gear, no idea. Oh. And what is it Matt Armstrong always says? Put the bolts back in the holes you took them out. And then you don't lose them. Unless you drop them down the engine bay. Look at that. Now when you were a kid, you used to read them Haynes manuals and you used to simply remove the 3 bolts. This one, and this one, all the way down here, which I can't get to unless I'm not taking all that off, surely to God. How? Here, man. Well, here goes nothing. Everything's a hammer. Please, 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 please. Oh, you're fucking kidding me. You've got to be fucking kidding me. That is a fucking joke. What a fucking... No, at least it'll go back down. Right, okay. Nearly there. The fucking hazards of having so much shit is... he's fucking... Can't find anything. And also the hazards of trying to fix your own shit leads to things like this. I mean, why is that gap there? Huh? Why is that gap there? No fucking need. No need at all. But just that fucking gap there. Dickheads. Okay. What is holding that in now? That. Oh, you fucking dickhead.